Are you ambitious, but exhausted, running on caffeine and willpower every day? If you're constantly tired despite 6-8 hours of sleep, this video is your recovery blueprint, backed by science and powered by tech. Hit subscribe if you're done feeling drained every morning. Most professionals don't just suffer from lack of sleep. They suffer from lack of recovery. Late nights, early meetings, endless screen time. Your body never fully resets. Even one poor night can damage focus, immunity, hormones, and mood. That's not just burnout, that's biological breakdown. Here's the fix. These 6 science-backed strategies can help you bounce back even after late nights and rebuild real rest into your routine, starting tonight. Stick around till the end. We'll also show you a sleep tech tool that makes all of this 10x easier. And don't forget, subscribe if this already feels relevant to your life. Tip 1. Morning sunlight is equal to natural reset. Expose your eyes to natural light within 30 minutes of waking. This resets your circadian rhythm and clears grogginess like a mental power wash. No sun? Use a 10,000 lux light therapy box. Tip 2. Gentle movement builds sleep pressure. Even if you're tired, move. Light walking, stretching, or a few mobility drills boost adenosine, a chemical that helps you fall asleep deeply at night. Tip 3. The power nap protocol. A 10-20 minute nap between 12 p.m. 3 p.m. can restore up to 2 hours of brain power. Set an alarm, use a sleep mask, add ambient audio to fall asleep faster. Trust me, this alone can change your week. Tip 4. Nighttime routine screen scrolling. Create a ritual, not just a bedtime. Try this. Dim the lights, journal for 5 minutes, put on calming audio, use a sleep headband instead of doom scrolling. You're signaling your brain it's time to shut down, not stay alert. Tip 5. Eat to sleep. Late caffeine, =, bad sleep. Instead, try magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds or dark chocolate, tryptophan from oats or eggs, a light snack like banana plus almond butter before bed. This supports melatonin and smoother sleep onset. Tip 6. Train your brain with sound. Play the same audio track every night. Your brain links the sound to falling asleep, like Pavlov's bell. Do this consistently and you'll fall asleep faster with less effort. Now, here's the game changer. The Mobionix trademark CloudNap ProBand is a Bluetooth sleep headband that combines sound conditioning, light blocking, and comfort. All in one. No bulky headphones, no apps you'll forget to open, just a wearable system that builds your nightly wind down into a habit. Link to check it out in the description. Why it works. Professionals using the CloudNap ProBand report, falling asleep 30–50% faster, fewer night wakings, less screen addiction at bedtime. Because it's not about hacking your sleep, it's about building a system that sticks. Nightly reset in 5 minutes. Try this tonight. Turn off screens, kill blue light, put phone on do not disturb, wear the ProBand and hit play, breathe, rest, reset. Do this 3 nights in a row and your brain will start rewiring how it sleeps. You can't operate at 100% on 40% rest. Stop burning out and start building better rest. Hit subscribe for more real science-backed recovery tips. Check the blog link below for the full strategy breakdown. And if you're serious about change, explore the Mobionix CloudNap ProBand today, because when you rest better, you live better.